The Huawei Mate 80 series is shaping up to be one of the most exciting flagship launches of 2025. According to new leaks and tips, this next-generation smartphone lineup will not only raise the bar in terms of performance, but also revolutionize mobile photography, all while coming in a thinner and lighter package. One of the biggest changes we can expect from the Mate 80 is its design. Huawei appears to be working on slimming down the device, making it sleeker and more comfortable to hold than its predecessor, the Mate 70. Tipster Smart Pikachu suggests that the Mate 80 series will sport a significantly thinner and lighter frame, a move that aligns with the growing trend of premium smartphones that are both powerful and elegant in hand. But design isn't the only area getting an upgrade. The camera department is where Huawei seems to be putting in some serious work. The company is reportedly developing its own camera technologies from scratch for the Mate 80 series. This includes reworking the entire lens placement system and enhancing key aspects like lens convexity and airtightness. Now, if you're wondering what that means, lens convexity affects how light enters the camera sensor, and improving this can result in sharper, brighter, and more vibrant images. Airtightness, on the other hand, refers to the sealing of the camera components. By enhancing this, Huawei may be able to reduce the space the camera module takes up, helping to keep the overall design of the phone slim while still housing powerful optics. The expected result? A thinner phone that doesn't compromise on image quality. In fact, improves it. With better light intake, users can expect photos that are clearer, more detailed, and color accurate, even in little light environments. It's also been reported that Huawei has started testing its own camera sensors for high-end phones, with the Pura 80 Ultra possibly being the first to use this new self-developed setup. If that goes well, the Mate 80 could be next in line. This shift towards in-house camera systems might give Huawei more control over photo processing and allow them to optimize software and hardware together, leading to a seamless photography experience. Speaking of camera specs, the Mate 80 might come with a 1-inch primary sensor, which is massive by smartphone standards, and be supported by an ultra-wide lens, a periscope telephoto lens, and a next-gen multispectral sensor. We might also see improvements on the selfie camera front, possibly with better AI enhancements or higher resolution. These hardware upgrades could be one reason why the Mate 80 launch is expected to take place in the last quarter of 2025. Huawei might be taking its time to perfect the camera systems and software experience, avoiding any rushed release. There's also speculation that this timing could help them avoid a direct clash with the iPhone 17 lineup, which is typically announced around September. On the software side, we can expect the top-end Mate 80 models to include a refined operating system experience, and most likely HarmonyOS with upgraded AI capabilities. These AI improvements might extend into photography, offering features like real-time scene optimization, advanced portrait effects, and perhaps even AI-driven video enhancements. As for the chipset, Huawei fans are hopeful for a new and improved Kirin 5G chip. With the recent changes in the Pura X lineup's chipset, expectations are high that Huawei will deliver something even more powerful and efficient with the Mate 80. A new Kirin chip could mean faster performance, better energy efficiency, and more intelligent processing for photography and everyday use. It's important to remember, though, that all of this information is based on early leaks and rumors. While it does paint an exciting picture of what's to come, plans can always change before launch. Still, it's clear that Huawei is aiming high with the Mate 80 series, pushing boundaries in both design and technology. If everything pans out as expected, the Mate 80 could end up being one of the slimmest, most advanced camera-focused smartphones on the market by the end of 2025. Huawei is clearly trying to re-establish its dominance in the flagship space, and if the Mate 80 delivers on all these fronts, it might just do that. So are you excited about the upcoming Huawei Mate 80? With all these improvements in design, camera, and performance, it looks like a device worth waiting for.